Farmers in rural Clarendon say their livelihoods are hanging by a thread as they continue to fall victims to stray dogs. With losses now running into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, they are calling for the authorities to immediately intervene to save them and their animals. Sandy Williams reports.
From goats dying without warning, to crops rotting in the fields as market collapse under gluts, to the slow, painful task of rebuilding after Hurricane Melissa, farming has been anything but a bed of roses. And long after storm clouds drifted away, the danger did not. It still prowls these rural roads. Packs of stray dogs, unclaimed, uncontrolled, now stalk farmlands, tearing through livelihoods and wiping out years of hard work in a single night.
Like when you tie the goat and mate time, then group up. So if a 10 goat you have there, then gonna eat them all.
Farmer Christopher Aladdin says the dogs don't return home and no one takes responsibility.
Because they don't go back home and just stay and mate when it animal then catch where they can manage, then get rid of them. And make sense you ask the owner, because they're not gonna hold it.
The damage has been total. Mr. Aladdin says he had more than 30 goats, but now only one remains.
The dog, them take all.
The dog take all of them?
All of them eat off. Last may have 3 and one may have left out of the 3.
Beyond the emotional toll, the financial loss is crippling.
Kev me say me lose $300,000. One goat can sell for $50,000. So me lose a lot. It's all hard for pencil out that amount.
So this set you back?
A big setback. You just confused, upset me. Do them know if you move on. I do them like your son or dog.
And the attacks didn't stop there.
What do you mean if I have some fall in my cubs only? When I go to the dog, it out the 8 layer fall me have my cub.
Mr. Aladdin says farmers are now left without the support they once relied on, especially veterinary assistance in emergencies.
Like it costs me a lot to get medication and stuff for the goat, and you get help from vet. And first time I used to come around and give some stuff. If they have a crutch or they catch fly, you can't take care of them.
But that has stopped?
Yeah.
How long now?
A good while, might be around 4 years, something like that. They're not bother with it.
He's now calling on the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, to resume those community visits.
I think I did RADA, they used to send around some people and then come around and help us.
So you would like that service to resume?
Yeah, it could continue. And we could have somebody where we can talk to anytime we have any little problem to help we move on.
The farmers want urgent dog control measures, renewed veterinary support, and RADA teams back in the field before more livestock and livelihoods are lost. Farmers say without immediate intervention, small-scale livestock farming in these communities may not survive. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
And still to come this evening, Portland-based tourism players reeling from downturn in business. And in business news, fuel prices going up on Thursday. We'll be right back.